Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Life in a Boxing Ring. So today a Queenie me come about Queenie today. I'm going to upload a video about Queenie. Now the vloggers them out there, they always pick up Queenie's business and put it on the internet when it's about Queenie and Dewey. Well, to tell you the truth, I'm somebody that is not a fan of Queenie's music. I'm not a fan of Queenie's downfall. I just like Queenie as a person. I wouldn't call myself a fan of Queenie. I just like Queenie as a person because she just talk what she want to talk and free her mind, and that's it. And that's what I like about people. She down to earth and all that. And sometimes people diagnose her as mad because she down to earth. But that is no problem because nowadays everybody on the internet mad in them own way. So it look like it's the battle of the battles. Because me know say now, Mari come with fair tune. You know, say Mari a fair big tune them out there. DJ Mona Lisa. And see Queenie come out here now. Look what Queenie say. Queenie say call herself Queen, and we know say a Spice of the Queen. Me nah come over here come mix up nobody. And as you see, on my screen you not seeing my face, you seen what whole mug. Because you don't know what Queenie say already, she not everybody cup of tea, and she me come out today. So I'm gonna let you guys hear Queenie song. Alright? May I put it up? Meet somebody that don't really put up things about people. Now go up on them page and take off them negativity, them doey and them things. If you look on my channel and you don't see those things. You understand? Because I don't rejoice over people's downfall. But Queenie look a come up. You understand? And the come up what Queenie look. I think if we can support Amari, we put trash out there, we can support Queenie. So therefore, when you go on over Queenie Vivo page, go look on her song them. Queenie have more than one song over there. Queenie is an upcoming artist and Queenie want to be out there too. I think Queenie says she signed to Sika Rhyme. So good things are about Queenie. Good things are going for Queenie. Alright, so on go on over Queenie Vivo page, go look on the madness. Me now go tell you online and everything over there me like. But if you go over there, go look, you will see why me say me not like everything over there. You understand? But anyways, me just feel like go over there go also something far. And me put up our song. Me not go put up nobody disgrace. And me not go rejoice over nobody's hurt. As the Lord said, we must rejoice over one another's hurt. We have to pray for one another. But one like a piece of the song I go come up on YouTube. I may not own no rights to Queenie music. But just a dash out one like a piece of the tune. So you can hear it. If you don't want to hear the recites, you can go on. And in other song here, everybody what did rejoice over Queenie, them must shame because of do we. The song is about Dewey and fi are good. And any girl can do them titty turn up tiff and then just me sorry for them. Them a bat because Queenie do fear. You understand what I'm trying to say? Alright, so no go on over there go look. And no come out a international clown marriage. Please. Me beg you no. Come out the people them international mix up. You see when two head go back pan pillar. Everybody when we're outside of the relationship, I chat them I go shame. Everybody wanna talk about Queenie and do this and do that. Then I'm more shame now. See two people and back together. They're sweeter than high school sweetheart. Don't leave the people and make them be Yamabella in peace. Make them be Yamabella in peace. Go over people and Vivo page, go watch what go on here and come off and do it back. And go pan Queenie Vivo page back. Go on over there so go fast. You know we see what go on over there. I be a madness. So if I'm mad this one me not like, and if you go over there go look, you know see why me not like it. You understand me going? But me not no artist and me couldn't do better, so therefore who is me for talk, you understand? Anyway, pick up yourself, Queenie. Your titty them stiff by your chest. Me see her dance in one video, me I tell her say titty nipple almost drop out. Or it tiff nearly juke out your man. So that's why do you can't left you have the good. 5 pity come out are good, so she say. But anyway, enough for me business. Go and go look. Me not talk about you like see the Queenie is not everybody cup of tea you be. Me know. You know my cup of tea neither, but anyway. I'm going to go look at what go on, yeah? Queenie have one whole madness over our Vivo page. We can send this out there now. If we did send out Dewey's drama, we can send this out there and make sure it's somewhere. And if Nico will mash up people life, this a tune you can go out there to talk shoot. More Sika Rhyme.
One queen in a deck. Can't be everybody cup of tea, can be not a mug. But me are the queen. I'm the queen. Crazy. Me are the queen in a deck. One queen in a deck. And I'm me in a deck. Me are the queen in a deck. Morning! One queen in a deck. Me do my breast, them a stress. Nipple them stiff in a me chest. All them a talk about some man leave. And me are the one wife, yes. 5 feet, me get out of me good. Make it them real me, no matter who hate me. A girl a chat, me tell her come good. Me are the queen in a day. Every girl is a queen in a them born rights. One queen in a day. Claims on the queenship. And a me in a day. Me are the queen in a day.